हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी कैसे हैं? तो आज मैं आपके बीच पुनः वैभव क्लास की अगली कड़ी में अपने एक दोस्त मतलब अपने एक छात्र मोहित के साथ रूबरू हूँ। और जैसा कि मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुका हूँ कि ये मेरा प्रयास है कि अब आरा में वो भी होम ट्यूशन में हमारे बच्चे फ्रैंक इंग्लिश बोलेंगे और सारे सब्जेक्ट का भी उनको अध्ययन करवाया जाएगा। तो आज हमारे साथ जो कुछ भी बात होगा आप सब उसे ध्यान से सुने और समझें और तय करें कि क्या आप भी अपने बच्चों के लिए ऐसे अवसर चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चे भी फ्रैंक इंग्लिश बोलें। आइए मेरे छात्र का इस पर क्या कहना है, अब इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। तो मैं अब आपसे अनुमति चाहता हूँ कि आप मुझे बात करने की अनुमति दें। आइए देखते हैं। सो नाउ introduce yourself to my viewers. Start.
Hi, this is Mohit Kumar, and I'm student of Narayan Dutt sir. He teaches very well. I study in. I've just passed 10th class, and I took admission in CPET, and to continue my further studies.
Okay, Mohit, CPAT. Can you tell me what is CPAT? Please tell my viewers what is CPAT.
CPET is generally an engineering course,
Yes.
which is in plastic engineering, which is also known as plastic engineering. It is in JE course. It is included in JE course, and its full form is Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology.
That's well. Okay, can you tell me how many hours did you spend for the preparation of CPAT?
I used to study 7 to 8 hours daily for preparation and to crack the CPET examination.
Okay, which type of questions were asked in CPAT examinations and what were the syllabus of that examination?
The questions were from syllabus of class 10th. It includes subject math, science, English, some parts of general knowledge and history as well.
Means my viewers, my students, my friends, while making preparation for class 10th CBSE final exam, you must prepare for CPET also. It is a kind of engineering courses, and after cracking it, you can find government job easily. So, okay, now I want to know your views about spoken. What do you want to tell my viewers about the value of English spoken?
In the today's world, the English is very important in everyday life, and in every sector we can see that English is spoken in every companies, in every sectors, and all the technological works
Okay,
are
okay,
done in
okay.
English.
Stop. What do you think? Can it be possible? Means can spoken classes be possible in home tuition in ARA?
Why not? It is possible.
Because okay, because you know in ARA most of the people speak Hindi, even Bhojpuri. So do you not feel it is just little bit tough to create such type of environment so that even a student of junior class would be able to talk in English?
Why not? If the tutor will be fine and he is energetic and his teaching way and his way of teaching is very fantastic, then everyone could learn English and speak very well and very fluent.
Okay, what do you think? When you were class 8 or 9, what were you thinking about your spoken, and what is your thinking right now after joining my class about spoken?
When I was in 8th class or 7th class, I was very poor in English speaking, and I could not understand the normal paragraphs and normal paragraphs and translate in Hindi. But when Andy Tiwari sir teaches me English, I became my English improves very well, and I learn how to speak English and very fluently.
So, did you listen? Before 2 years, he was feeling hesitation. He didn't know how to speak English, and now he is before you and talking to you. For your knowledge, I want to tell you he has been the student of Gyan Jyoti Bampali, which is at Bampali. So, viewers, again I'm telling you, it's my words. If I come to your home for teaching, then definitely your words, your children, or I want to tell also my students will be able to talk in English with all the subjects. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.